Hey you guys, it's Affiliate.Watch here. If you don't know what Affiliate.Watch is, it's a platform to find the best referral and affiliate programs in the world. And we also have an app in the Google Play Store that is one of the top ranked apps for the keyword affiliate. In today's video, I'm super pumped up and excited to be reviewing the new affiliate program from FileMail. If you're not familiar with FileMail, they're one of the biggest file sharing services out there on the web as well as the mobile app stores. And their new affiliate program is paying 20% reoccurring commission for an entire year. They pay out via PayPal. The cookies last for 90 days. It's an independent affiliate program, so you don't need to sign up to any affiliate network. The company has been around since 2008, and they are very well established with many users around the world. And this is their homepage of their website. I will go over their website, I'll show you how it works, and I'll also show you how you can join the affiliate program and start earning commission by promoting this amazing file sharing program. So they have a free service as well as paid plans, and you can see right here, send large files for free, fast secure file transfer, share large files up to 5 gigabytes for free using email or a secure link. And if you come down here, it shows you some of the features and it shows you how you can get their free plan. And you can also just use some of the features for free without even signing up, which is pretty cool. And they also have pro plans. So if you want to be able to store up to a terabyte of data and you want a maximum transfer size of 250 gigabytes, then you can buy their individual pro plan. If you want to send an unlimited transfer size file, you can look at their multi-user business plan, etc., etc. They have 3 different paid plans that you can compare, and affiliates will earn 20% commission for an entire year on these plans. Okay, and they support desktop, Outlook, iPhone, Android. You can integrate it into your website. They have customized branding and emails, and they have an API for developers. And let me go ahead and show you how it works real quick so you can get an idea. I won't use the email feature, I'll just use the link feature, and I will go ahead and just upload some screenshot of Expedia I took a few months ago. I can put a custom message if I want. We'll just do hello world, and we'll go ahead and click send. And it will ask you right here, files will be available, and you can say how long you want the files available for. If you want it available for longer, like a year or something, you're going to need to sign up for a business account. If you want to password protect it, you are going to need you cannot set transfer password with the free version of FileMail, get a FileMail account. And so you can upgrade your account and sign up and you'll get more features, but I'll go ahead and just show you how it works without signing up. We'll go ahead and click send. It's going to go ahead and upload this file. And you can see right here in the bottom right hand corner, it says we have a new affiliate program, earn recurring commission. So this is a new affiliate program, and I'm very glad to be sharing it with you guys right in the beginning before all the other affiliates find out about it. So you can see right here, you have a link, and I can go ahead and copy this to my clipboard, and I can go ahead and send this to somebody, and they can go ahead and download that picture. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty self-explanatory. They have an Android app as well, and if you look, it has over 1 million downloads with a 4.6 star rating. So this isn't some small company, guys. This is a very well-established company, and this is a new affiliate program, so I would hop on it immediately if you haven't already. And they also have an iPhone app. They have an API for developers. They have a Outlook add-on, so you can send attachments in Outlook that usually would not be deliverable to other email providers because they're too big. You can go ahead and handle all of that with FileMail very easily. They have an app for Mac OS and they have an app for Windows, and it has script and automation support. You can get faster transfer speeds using TCP and UDP transfer acceleration protocols. And this is their affiliate program page. I will leave a link down below in the description so you can go ahead and join this. And you can see right here, you register as an affiliate, refer people, you earn 20% commission for up to a year. They have a dashboard, detailed reports, and a variety of assets and marketing material that you can use. 90-day cookies, unlimited referrals. It's pretty self-explanatory. They have a commission calculator right here that's very nice. So for example, you can see how much you would earn with 100 referrals that year at a 20% commission rate, which is their default rate, and you would earn 3,600. If we go ahead and click the enterprise plan, 9,600. The professional plan, 2,400. So you can get a general idea how much you will earn with the commission calculator. And then there's some frequently asked questions here that you can go ahead and read more if you'd like to. And they pay out via PayPal, which most affiliates have. It's a great way to be paid out as an affiliate. And I would highly recommend you guys sign up to this affiliate program because it's new and it's a very well-established brand with a good product. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down below. And make sure to check out affiliate.watch if you want to find other amazing affiliate programs, categories, and niches and networks. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day.